The first list of the BJP candidates for the Karnataka Assembly elections 2023 will be released on Tuesday or Wednesday, said Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai. Chief Minister emphasized there isn't any confusion on finalizing the list. Former Chief Minister and BJP Parliamentary Board member B.S. Yedurappa said the first list of about 170 to 180 candidates for elections to the 224-member Assembly would be released by this evening or perhaps on Tuesday or Wednesday. They are working on ground reports for a few chosen candidates. National President J.P. Nadda was present at the meeting to finalize the candidates. Former Chief Minister Yedurappa was asked by the reporter if his absence implied dissatisfaction over the candidate list. Former Chief Minister Yedurappa denied it and proclaimed his suggestions has been agreed upon by BJP leadership and is absolutely confident BJP will win absolute majority and form a government.